I'm gonna get it everywhere. I need a bib.
Ew, this is really disgusting.
I know. I don't know what I was thinking. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, here goes. Well, that's a bunch of different flavors at once.
Is it any good?
You know, it's not bad. I kind of like the sweetness and the saltiness at the same time. Would I get it again?
Would you?
I don't know. Maybe in a couple years.
This is what I want.
The donut is really overpowering.